Hello, my name is David Sand, CEO of Iwin International. Welcome to another version of the Iwin Breakfast Show. Today with me, my special guest, Manus Geyer, CFO of Iwin International. Hello, Manus.
Hello, David. Nice to be here.
Good. Today, we're going to be talking about financial aspects of our business, creating trust, managing customers' money, looking after it, the whole treasury function of the loyalty side of things that not many people know about, but it's behind the scenes, it's a vitally important function. Give us a bit of insight into that.
It's certainly a vitally important role and a big part of my role as well. When you talk treasury, people get a bit of a glazy look in their eyes, but it's nothing else than money management. Whether it's local money that you manage, whether it's foreign exchange, whether it relates to funding, liquidity, cash management, that's really treasury. My background actually started my career in the treasury environment and had the privilege to work for various local banks, various financial institutions and small financial businesses, gaining experience in financial markets.
Well, it's certainly, from my perspective, having that part of the business in a safe pair of hands, somebody with a skill set that just loves doing that kind of thing, gives me a huge sense of relief. But also our customers. When you sit down in a meeting with our customers and you talk from that safe pair of financial hands, that to many of our customers is a huge level of confidence as well. Because today, as we all know, corporate governance and minimizing risk is such an important part of the landscape.
It certainly is. And something that's going to become more and more important as well, because people want to know that their money is safe and that it's looked after well.
So Manus, our online point banking system is really a transactional platform that manages our digital currencies. But it also interfaces with other banking systems and partnerships. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yes, certainly. It interfaces with various other banking platforms and payment platforms. Now, starting off with our own bank, the fact that I can go onto an online platform to make foreign exchange payments or local payments, what a pleasure. If we take, for instance, our Kudos card as a rewards product, that card allows somebody to go and swipe at a point of sales terminal to do online shopping. It's a reloadable card backed by MasterCard. We're not a bank. We can't print that card. We can't issue that card. We need a partner to help us to facilitate that process. The fact that we then, as a digital organization, are able to integrate with these digital platforms just brings so much efficiency to these processes, which then again benefits our client.
Yeah. And I think working with those huge brands in the financial services sector, brands like Standard Bank, MasterCard, I know we've had some workings with Visa as well, really gives a high level of credibility to what we do, but it also requires us to comply with a high level of financial integrity and standards in what we do.
It does, and we need to keep up to speed with those changes and those requirements and what the regulatory environment actually asks us to do.
So we've talked about Africa, we've talked about some of the international payments and payment gateways that we use. Tell us how the volatility of the rand and the rand-dollar exchange rate has really impacted on your day-to-day life, and what are some of the things that we do to safeguard ourselves and our clients' money?
Look, foreign exchange in South Africa is quite a big challenge. We've got a very volatile currency. It's a challenge everywhere in the world where the currencies are volatile. They say if you want to grow old overnight or you want to turn grey very quickly, just get involved in the foreign currency markets. Yep. There's a lot of exchange control in South Africa as well that we need to take into account. Money leaving our country has got to be recorded. It's got to be supported by documentation. That's where we help the client. And instead of authorizing every single transaction, when we do that transaction, when we pay a participant, and we pay hundreds of these guys, we go to the Reserve Bank, we apply for approval, which allows them to, under a blanket authority, make these payments. Again, bringing efficiencies and benefits to our client.
Yeah, and I think that is a value-added service to our customers that often goes unseen. It's a huge part of, again, minimizing risk, maximizing the efficiency on how we move money around and keeping it all safe. So Manus, we've got clients in India, all over Africa, UK. We've got clients that are now working with us from Canada and North America. What did you have say to them at this stage?
Well, to our current clients, I want to just say to them, thank you very much. Thanks for trusting us with your business. For potential clients, I want to say, please sign up. You know, we've got 26 years of experience in this industry. We've got the skill, we've got the experience. A lot of the aspects in our industry we've pioneered in this country. So you're in safe hands, clients, and we really want to be there to assist and help wherever we can. And as we always say to our clients, we are here to help you and your people win.
So Manus, we should get you out in front of some more clients. I mean, you've really got that sales skill there. But you're right, it's about the reason wanting to bring you onto the breakfast show is to give people an insight to what happens in the back office. And it is about creating a service offering to our clients that is reliable, consistent, safe pair of hands, and we achieve the goals that they want to achieve with their channels and motivating their people and their customers. So thanks for being on the breakfast show.
You're welcome.
Thank you for joining us on another version of the breakfast show. We really appreciate your time in listening. Please leave your comments below. Go and have a look at our website. And let's get together and connect, as Manus said. If you're not one of our clients already, please give us a shout. We'd love to talk to you.